same stuff you did in kindergarten. It's just this little goofy leaf and a lilting stem and some daisy leaf. But depending on how you move them around and play with them, they can look fairly sophisticated. So what you're going to do now is you're going to manipulate your canes, and I've already started doing that, so I'll just recreate the process, so that you're making the shape. And the shape now comes already with its dark outline, as if you were stained glass and you've got your cane or your copper foiling around it. You're doing that with your cane. So you don't got to go put anything around it because it's there already. And when it's all done, we'll add a couple little teeny stringers of black to kind of give that look of the pieced together aspect that stained glass has. We'll do that next. But right now we're having just fun with this. So the first thing I do is I'm going to get one of my canes that had green in it. And I usually kind of cut these in half, so I've got manipulation. I've got like half and half instead of everything being the same size. On this one, I got a big one, then I rolled it down and made a smaller one. So this is the small one, but I usually start with the bigger, but I'll just show you. So I had rolled it down, and every time you roll it and you have like irregular bits, which just happens, like let's say I was going to cut it there, so I could see what I was doing, start stacking those up, because we're going to do something with that. We're going to make a Strappel cane with that, which is great fun. So what you'll do now is as you roll and stretch your pieces thinner and thinner, you're also going to manipulate them into whatever shapes you want. So this one I want to make a leaf, so I'm pinching the outside edges so that, let me cut it so you can see what it looks like.
Good. I'm fine.
You see what you've got is you've got this nice little leafy shape. And that means everything I sliced from this has already got that shape to it. So it's piece cake. Easy, easy. This one's a little one. I have some here that are bigger ones.